Hello good people, my name is Nemo and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay guys, we have some houses in Utawala for vacant houses, 2-bedroom and 1-bedroom. If you're interested, let me know. And thank you for all my subscribers. If you are new here, kindly consider to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Let's get into the video. So tuingie kwa nyumba ndani guys. This is how the house looks. So spacious. Look at the tiles, the kitchen. The finishing is another level. So this is the kitchen. This is how the tap looks. It has 2 basins. The kitchen, the lighting is on another level, my dear friend. If you are looking for a house in Utawala, nitafute hapo kwa comment. We have some cabinets, very nice cabinets. The finishing is on another level guys. The hand washing basin, this is how it looks. Wow. The toilet, and the good thing with this house is it's a 1-bedroom house, but the master bedroom, okay, si choche sana, trending tuangalie master bedroom, how it looks so good. Let's go to the bedroom. It's a 1-bedroom house. So this is how the bedroom looks. That's the door. You have your wardrobe at the door. Now this is the bedroom. We have 2 toilets in a 1-bedroom house. The 2 toilets have 2 hot showers. It's a deal. So guys, this is the 2-bedroom, the same apartment, and this is how it looks. The lighting, you don't need like a candle. Then the kitchen has a balcony huko nyuma. So na balcony huko nyuma kwa kitchen. This is a 2-bedroom. Niko na balcony kwa nyuma. And ni kubwa. Ukitaka kuweka vitu zako huko nyuma, ukitaka kuweka hanging lights hapa nyuma, well and good. So big, so special. Then this the 1-bedroom, the first bedroom ile unaweza sema ni watoi, bado iko na wardrobe hapo. It's a deal. And the lighting mama, iko another level. Ukitaka kama light si moba, light kidogo, weka vile unataka. And the good thing ni bedroom ya watoto na iko na choo ndani na hot shower. So tuende kwa the master bedroom. So the master bedroom is spacious. Kitanda ni 6x6 inatoshea. The bedroom is spacious. Iko na wardrobe zake. You guy, my guy. Whoa! So hizo ni wardrobes. Those are the wardrobes. We have toilet inside the master bedroom, of course. The finishing on another level. Hot shower, curtain rolls. No, not curtain. The flashing. Towel rolls. Not curtains. Towel rolls ziko another level, ziko fiti. The soap dish iko fiti, yani unaingia tu na nguo zako hivi. Then kuna shaver, kuna hiyo hand washing basin, kuna shaver. Unanyoa ndevu ukijiona, kuna shaver. Unajipaka makeup ukijiona hapo kwa kioo. Na lighting iko sawa. It's a deal. Utawala, nyumba ziko Then kuna mlango, mnaiona? Kuna emergency door hapa. Unaingia hapa kama mtaki kuonana na watoto. Kama umekosana unapitia hapa, utaki maneno mingi. And kuna socket ya wifi and the aerial.